Welcome to the HowMuch POS System dashboard, your central hub for managing all store operations with ease. This intuitive interface provides a comprehensive overview, ensuring you always have quick access to essential management tools. Effortlessly navigate to our powerful Reports section, where you can instantly access the order's sales report. Gain crucial sales analytics for informed decision-making and better business insights. Here you can easily customize your reports by selecting a specific date range. This flexible filtering allows you to focus on precise periods for accurate, data-driven analysis. Utilize the Search Store filter to refine your view, ensuring tailored insights for specific locations. Instantly see your total sales without tax and the total tax collected, providing clear financial oversight. Keep track of sales returns and quickly view your grand total, complete with a clear breakdown of cash and credit payments. This ensures a comprehensive financial picture of your sales performance. Dive into the details with individual order information, displaying each self-order number and item quantity amount. This granular view helps you review specific transactions thoroughly. Understand the complete financial breakdown per order, including due amount, discount, and charges. Enjoy transparent tracking for every sale, ensuring full financial clarity. At a glance, quickly assess total reimbursements and the overall grand total. This summary offers a powerful snapshot of your entire sales health. Customize your data presentation by adjusting the rows per page setting, giving you ultimate control. This improves readability and allows for a tailored view of your sales information. The Search Store function empowers you to easily refine reports and explore your sales data with precision. Unlock greater control over your business insights.